Thinking about furnishing a home, doing a major renovation, or building a new house and feeling overwhelmed, well, you've come to the right place, because we've really developed a process that makes everything seamless and enjoyable. Through years and years of experience of trials and tribulations, I feel that we've really defined a process that makes it fun. There are a lot of moving parts in a design build project. How we keep all of those parts organized and in a very clean, streamlined way for the guys in the field to know exactly what to implement is through all of the details and the time and effort we put into a design package. We go through and put every single material call out and detail inside of these packages so that we can articulate our vision to you guys when we're presenting, but also so when we hand it off to our contractors, they have exactly the information they need to get correct bids, they know exactly how to estimate their time to install all of that, and then they have everything they need in the field to make it all come to life. We really want our clients to have a lot of fun while going through the process, but also have full transparency into what they're making decisions on before we ever break ground. So when it's time to install all the furniture or it's time for the build to start, our team is off to the races. There's no guesswork during construction, there's no changing the mind. These packages help our process run seamlessly, help us stay on time, and help us stay